The next step in my editing workflow is to blur the screen for privacy or remove on-screen notifications that I've forgotten to turn off. Rather than re-record the whole video, I'm just going to blur out this YouTube notification you see here. The first thing I'll do is scrub to the point where it appears on screen, then make a cut. And I'll slowly scrub to the end of the notification where it disappears off screen and make another cut. Of course, you could turn notifications off, but as I said, I forgot and I don't want to re-record this whole video. Once you make a cut, scrub back to your first cut, select the clip, and tap on the duplicate icon. So I could cut the notification out, but you'll notice I have this audio that I want to keep in the tutorial. That's why I'm going to quickly blur out this YouTube notification so it doesn't distract you, the viewer. I'm going to move back to my first cut, select the clip, and just make sure that I've got the cut in the right place so that the notification will not be revealed. Entire clip out. Now I'll select the clip and tap on the duplicate icon. To make a copy of this clip, double tap on your duplicate to open the clip editor. And then make sure frame and fit is selected. The reason you have to duplicate clips is because in order to blur a specific section out, the video needs to be cropped. Tap on cropping to begin cropping the video. Cropping the video will allow you to see the video behind your duplicated clip perfectly. Make sure that you use the sliders to adjust the crop lines, these yellow lines, so that the notification is completely surrounded by this yellow box. That's perfect. Notice that YouTube notifications and other app notifications are usually square. Next, tap on Color and Effects to select it. Tap on the teardrop. And choose Gaussian 40. This is usually enough to blur out a YouTube notification. Now, the notification will look like this. You can tap on the left-facing arrow in the upper left-hand corner to go back to the main timeline. Now I'll scrub back a bit and play the video from here. Notice the notification appears right here, but you can't see it anymore, and therefore it doesn't distract from the message of the video. If you need to blur the screen for privacy, check out the link on screen now. Join me next time when I show you how to remove bad audio. To watch the rest of the series, click into this playlist right here. Here's another video YouTube thinks you might like.